Hi, I'm Harvey Hamilton, and I would like to tell you about Tired Iron Video's new engine restoration DVD. Our comprehensive video guides you through your John Deere new generation diesel engine rebuild. I will walk you through over 7 hours of detailed restoration. This double disc set pairs perfectly with your technical manuals, providing a visual guide for your project. Our high quality video and audio let you see and hear all the details like never before. I will walk you through initial engine testing and diagnosis, disassembling the entire engine, repairing the individual components, and a complete step-by-step reassembly. Our process shows you how to get your engine working like new. Follow us behind the scenes as we travel to Barry's Quality Machine and diesel fuel injection service to learn the ins and outs of pump repair and timing, valve seat installation, head resurfacing, and more. Order today to start restoring your John Deere new generation diesel engine. Call 360-520-9829 or order online at TiredIronVideos.com.